are here in Ethiopia. Turn me up. Y'all been telling me to come here for the longest, bro. And I'm finally here. Now, before we start, hit that like and sub button, chat. Let's go, bro. It's that time, bro. It's really that time. Hey, I'm finally in Ethiopia, bro.
Yeah, brother. How are you?
I'm finally in Ethiopia, bro.
Okay.
I'm finally in Ethiopia.
Yes, fine. Yes, fine.
No, I'm finally here.
Yes, we have.
Yes, fine.
Yes, fine.
Yes, fine.
Yes, fine,
Yes,
brother.
fine.
Yes, fine.
I'm
Yes,
here.
brother. Yeah.
Fine. Good, good.
Fine. It's fine.
Yes.
Good.
It's fine. You're here.
Happy.
Thank you.
Hey, look. Can y'all teach me a word in Ethiopian?
Yes.
How you say hello in Ethiopian?
Hello. Hi. Dana nachu.
Dena what tree?
Dana nachu.
Denanach.
Dana nachu. Dana.
Denanach. Denanach.
Last picture. Last picture.
Denanach. 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 Thank you. First time here, brother. Thank you. First time here. Thank you.
Hello, Ethiopia. Salam nachu, Ethiopia.
Salam na Ethiopia.
Yeah. Salam nachu, Ethiopia.
Salam na Ethiopia.
Yeah. Say. All say.
Salam na Ethiopia. Damn.
Guys, open up. Space. Give us space.
We really here. Check, look at the market though. This market look crazy. What's that?
Ethiopian scarf.
A scarf?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Ethiopian scarf. Good price. Abisha price, okay?
Oh.
This
Chad, do I look good? Chad, do I buy it? Yes
Hey,
or no?
Rodick, move them down. How much you sell?
Simple?
Here.
5,000.
Here. Is that enough?
what do you think?
That's more than enough, she knows.
Yo. You made a song for me, man. You made a song for me.
Yes, man. Yes, sir, bro. Let's go, man. Are you ready?
Open up.
In the jungle, street too raw, never rumble. I move too fast like a Lambo. Never run down, can't move my door. Hey.
I've never seen an instrument like that.
Try it out, bro. Yeah.
Oh! Put your hands like this. Put your hands like that. Yeah. Now.
Hey.
Yeah, like that.
Hey, lit.
It's clear.
Messi.
Give us a circle.
Messi. Oh, hey, bro, watch out, bro.
Oh,
Watch out, bro. Watch out, bro.
Messi's the GOAT.
Bro, watch out.
Messi's the GOAT.
Bro, watch out, bro.
Messi's the GOAT. Messi's the GOAT. Welcome to Ethiopia. Welcome to Ethiopia. Yeah. Man.
Bro, go away.
Yeah.
Go away, bro. The hell wrong with this dude, bro? What the hell is that?
This is the day life of Mercato. So this is how we do it. So we challenge you to carry on this one.
Carry it?
Yeah, carry it.
By myself?
Yeah, by yourself. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
God damn.
Let's go, Speed. Let's go, Speed. Let's go, Speed.
I'm so sorry. Right. That area had a bad connection. It's all right. We still got more stuff to do. Let's go!
So this is monkeys. This is monkey fur.
Monkey?
Yeah, like actually from a monkey.
Monkeys? This is sick. Oh, this is sick. Wait, I gotta take a picture like this. I gotta take a picture like this. Where Anthony at? There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a good horsey. That's a horsey. Slow down, dude.
Slow down, slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down, slow down. Just walk, just walk.
I got it. I know. Okay. Alright, we Gucci. Thank you for the ride, man. Thank you so much for the
Speed, this is Mr. Minister.
It's the minister of tourism.
Yes, I am.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
So now you are going to finish your
That is the Honorable Minister. Salam.
Salam. What is this?
This is an Ethiopian warrior's attire.
So I'm a warrior?
You're a warrior fighting for independence.
Chat. I'm an Ethiopian warrior, chat.
Speed, you're standing at a very important place.
What is this place?
We're the only black nation that celebrates victory over the European colonial forces.
Really?
We're the only one. Everybody that celebrates independence, we celebrate victory. So this monument, this museum, is dedicated for our victory.
Who's the main guy?
And this is what the warriors wore when they marched into war.
It's not about walking with us, it's about lead. So we can set security up as well.
Chat ready to go to war?
Let's go. Speed, our warriors walked barefoot 1,092 kilometers from here all
Guys,
to the northern part to fight the Italians.
You telling me to go barefoot right now?
I challenge you, in honor of our martyrs, in honor of our warriors,
You want me to go barefoot?
if you can. This is in honor of the 120,000 Ethiopian soldiers that marched all the way to the northern part of the country to fight the Italians.
I don't understand
The
about it.
Italians came with leather boots. They walked.
Fantastic,
Very-
thank you.
You got beautiful hair. What the? What is going on? Coffee? Where the coffee at? Chat, should I try some coffee, yes or no? Should we try coffee, yes or no? Huh? Hold on.
Ethiopia.
That smells like coffee.
Speed, you're supposed to do like this to smell the coffee, the aroma of the coffee. Yes.
That smells good.
Speed,
That smells good.
Ethiopia is the original place of coffee.
Coffee was invented here?
Coffee was found in Ethiopia, in the southern
What?
part of Ethiopia, yes.
Coffee was invented in Ethiopia?
Yes.
Oh, I gotta try it.
Yes.
So we gotta try coffee in
It's
Ethiopia.
called Arabica coffee.
We gotta try coffee in Ethiopia.
It's a bit hot. It's a bit hot.
Damn!
Is it good?
Woo!
This is exactly it.
Woo!
Like it?
Miss World of Africa.
World Africa.
What does that mean?
It is basically all the world came together for a competition, beauty pageant competition, and I won second place of Miss World Africa.
So you basically the most beautiful girl in Africa.
Absolutely. Look at her.
You're gorgeous.
Look at her. Do you like the coffee?
I do like the coffee.
You know, Ethiopia is the origin of humankind, so you're Ethiopian too.
So I'm Ethiopian?
Yes. And interesting part, you just became 8 years younger. You just time traveled back in time. You're now 8 years younger. You're 21, right? You're 21?
20.
20.
How?
Because we are in 2018, our calendar.
What?
Yeah, this is a very unique country.
2018?
2018.
Y'all serious?
We have 13 months. 13 months.
Nah, you trolling me.
No.
It's 2026.
No.
It ain't 2026?
Ethiopia, you're not.
Wait, hold on. Wait, we in the past?
Yep. You time traveled. This is science fiction.
You're 7 years younger.
Yeah. 8 years younger now.
What?
This is why you're energetic.
It's 2018. That's why I'm feeling like this.
Exactly. You feel a bit different here?
So Fortnite just came out. Fortnite just came out. Oh my gosh. So Ronaldo is still in Real Madrid. Chat. Everything is in the past here.
How old are you? It's 2018.
I was 13. So I'm 13 years old.
Imagine all the things you could do in the next 8 years. Can't stay here.
I'm 13, chat. Oh, I'm about to go back to school.
And also there's a different time here.
Okay, so this is the epicenter of the city. Ethiopia doesn't celebrate like freedom. We celebrate our victory because
Yeah, he told me that. He told me that 20 times.
You got it.
So this is like a memorial for that. And we also give to coffee.
Wow.
We're the origin of coffee. You have to walk around. I hope you have a very amazing day. We're going to catch up later too, right?
Sweet, we got more for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go.
Chat, it's 2018, bro. We in 2018. 2018. What was I doing in 2018?
About the difference in time as well.
Yeah, actually,
It's really
even the
2018.
altitude. Are you aware of you're in the third highest altitude capital city in the world?
For real?
Yes.
I feel like
You are in.
It's not 3 o'clock now. What time is it?
We say 9. So right now it's 9, hour 9.
It's 9 o'clock.
This is a very important monument. What you see here, where you see the sun ray shining out of Ethiopia, is because at that time, almost all of Africa was under colonialism, except for Ethiopia. So Ethiopia was the shining example of independence. So that's why we have that bright light, because we gave hope. A hope for all black nations that there is a black nation that's not been defeated, that actually won a colonial power, and that it's a hope. And this is where Pan-Africanism started.
I never even knew that.
Yeah.
Chat, I never even knew that.
This is the central part of the museum, where the real actual material and weapons that they used in that time is stored. Let's go.
Damn, look at that drum.
I invite you to declare or to hit the drum. Whenever they hear the sound from this.
This is a real drum?
Yeah.
This drum is massive. Chat, this is the biggest drum ever. Right here? That coffee hitting it. Everybody stream, hit that like yourself, boy.
So, Speed, guess how many trees Ethiopia has planted over the last 4 years?
I don't even know.
46 billion.
Billion?
Yeah. Billion. 46 billion.
What is about the big 46.1
Exactly.
I'm planting my tree in Ethiopia.
You need this one first. The plastic one.
Hold on, wait, what's the speed?
Yeah, read it actually.
Chat.
Well, actually 48.
This is the Ethiopian
That's how fast it's moving.
speed tree. Green legacy gold. There's 48 billion trees in Ethiopia, but this is the speed tree.
Yeah, this is for you.
How big is gonna grow one day? Be honest.
How big will it grow?
How big will it grow? What?
You're gonna come back see
How big is it going to grow?
How big is it gonna grow?
Maybe 8 months, 2 years.
Oops. Oh God. I know. Sorry. I'm gonna come back one day, and this gotta be here, okay? This better be here, okay, guys? Cause I'm planting my tree here. I'm planting the seed here. So when I come back, whatever months, years, days, minutes, I want to see this tree grow, and I still want to see speed tree right there.
Yes.
Okay. You promise? All right, you promise.
You promise to come back.
I promise to come back. I promise.
This one. You come for the top 32.
It's okay.
Okay, chat.
Ethiopia has been selected the most top 30. We're gonna have all the leaders of the world come here. We want you to be there as well. 2037.
Just call my name.
All right.
Call my number.
You heard everybody. You want to call your name?
All right, chat.
You wanna add
This is
one?
officially the speed tree of Ethiopia, y'all. I planted my tree here.
Do you wanna add one more?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
I got the speed tree. W's in the chat. We did it, bro. The speed tree, bro. Let's go, chat. W's in the stream, bro. W Ethiopia, bro. Whew.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go, man. Oh my, what the hell? Yo! Bro! What the hell? How y'all get up there? How they get up there? Yo!
Welcome to Ethiopia.
Chad, what's this? Chad, how they doing this? Yeah, let me try. I want to try.
You wanna try?
Yeah, I want to try. Huh? This way? Hold on, wait, come this way. No, this way.
This one.
Oh, crap. So let's try this. The pressure's on.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Move.
Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, crap. Oh. Oh. I did it! Chat, look at this. Now you come around. Come over here. How is he doing that? He's really, bro, he really walking.
Yeah.
With a stick. Can you do a backflip off of it? Oh, shit. Hey, man. You can fight with it? Oh, hold on, wait, I got an idea, low-key. No, wait, I want to try to backflip under you. Can you spread your legs wide open? Wait, Chad, is this going to be possible? Backflip under. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah! Backflip under the stick. Like you saw, baby. Yo, man, thank y'all, bro. Hold on, wait, what is y'all, what is this? What's this called? Y'all from a tribe, right? Venna? The Venna tribe from Ethiopia? Yeah. Chad, that's lit. This is the Venna tribe of Ethiopia. Yeah. And they use the sticks. Wait, what do I use the sticks for? To travel? Cows?
Cows look.
Look for cows? Yeah. That's sick. Yo, chat W's in the chat, bro. This is sick. Oh, can I do a swoop? All right, 1, 2, 3, swoop! All right, y'all, peace out, bro. Peace out. Y'all, hey, man, y'all sick. I'm not gonna lie, y'all the sickest people I've seen yet. That's lit. That's actually fire. Real talk, that's fire. All right, chat. Where my phone at? Rudy, you on my phone? Chat, that's actually sick, bro. Y'all not know how much coordination, balance, and stability you need to have to do that? I don't think people understand. Like, you need to have true.
I have challenge. Just like this. This is Ethiopian traditional Guagenya dance.
What the fuck? What the hell?
Just like. That's right.
Right.
Yes, speed, yes. Yeah, I am a kucha. I'm not listening anyone. One.
Y'all go to school?
Yeah.
What school y'all go to? Huh? Horturti.
Yeah.
What grade y'all in? Hold on, wait. How old are y'all? What year is it? No. What year is it?
I don't know.
2018, right?
Translate.
It's 2018. It's 2018.
They speak.
Oh, wait, so technically I can go back. Hold on, wait. I can go back to school, right? Since I'm 13.
Yes, you can.
So, hold on, wait. So technically I can go to your school, right? Since I'm 13. Because I traveled back in time. In reality, I'm 20 years old, where I'm from. But here, I'm 8 years younger, 2018. So I'll go back to your school, right?
I don't say English speaking. English speaking.
Salam.
Salam.
Durch. Durich. Yes. Anybody speak English here?
Yes.
You speak English? Bro, so they trolling me, bro. Y'all playing.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
There we go.
I am Cristiano Ronaldo.
Get me out! Sue! That ain't know the goat.
Hold here, got kids. Watch out, move back, kids.
What place is it? Hey. Huh? Thank you. Some?
Yeah, he said kiss.
Oh. What is this?
He's blessing you.
He's blessing me? Oh, bless you. Yeah, you gotta explain to me what's going
This is
on.
one of the oldest churches inside Ethiopia. And then what they've done is they've come here to receive you and then also to give you their blessing.
Oh.
And prepare the traditional ceremony.
Oh.
Start from here. So I will be your guide, sir.
You'll be my God? Okay.
You know, this is the church. We need to be calm, okay?
Be calm?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, crap, I got too much energy right now.
He had a lot of Ethiopian coffee. So he's very, very excited.
So I would like to explain something to you.
Shoot.
This
You want to go somewhere?
was established by His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I,
Mhm.
and he dedicated to the patriots who were fighting against the fascist Italians.
Mhm.
You know, Ethiopians. There were 2 Italians that came
Right.
to conquer Ethiopia. You know, the first was repulsed at the Battle of Arwara, 1896. If you
Yeah, we were hearing about that earlier.
Yes, that's a very important battle.
Yes, yes.
Not only to the Ethiopians, to the black people in the world.
Uh-huh.
While the second was under Mussolini, you know, the fascist ruler. So the fascists, they were using gas in Ethiopia. So people, they keep fighting to restore our independence. So this church is dedicated to those people who died.
Oh, okay.
Fighting.
Okay.
You're gonna
Okay.
see brown
Yes.
angels.
And
Brown
Black
angels?
Jesus.
So the abbot is waiting for you.
Okay.
You just kiss the blood.
Your shoes, guys. You have to get your shoes.
Can I take my shoes off?
He's blessing you. Kiss the cross. Yes.
Welcome.
Being blessed.
I've been blessed?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we
Thank
need
you.
to take off your shoes.
Take off my shoes?
Yeah.
Take your shoes off for you.
Yeah. Me too.
Daryl, you know where my you know my yeah. Nice to meet y'all. Where you from?
España.
España. Oh, Barcelona? Madrid?
Madrid.
Madrid? Ronaldo? Tu sabe Ronaldo?
Ah, sí, Flavio.
Sí. Ronaldo ou Messi?
No, Ronaldo.
So we would like to show you the tombs of His Majesty, the Emperor Haile Selassie.
Yeah.
I already asked where the socks were.
Yeah.
You know, this is the throne of the Emperor. Haile Selassie would come and sit here.
Oh, really?
Yes, and the Queen also.
Wait, let me take the beret real quick, brother.
Oh, I think we're
Oh, we're lagging. We're
Lagging.
We're lagging.
We gotta go. We're lagging.
We're lagging.
They show the tombs of the Emperor.
No, we're actually lagging.
We're lagging?
No, we're actually lagging.
That seriously?
No troll.
We're lagging?
We gotta go.
Oh wait, I know. Let's see it though before we leave. Oh, that's the tomb.
Yeah, you can come in here. And
I can come in?
Yes, that's His Majesty, the Emperor Haile Selassie.
The emperor?
Yes, he's buried here.
The first emperor?
The last emperor of Ethiopia.
Oh my God! Rest in peace, emperor. Okay, Ethiopia.
We're actually lagging. We're actually lagging.
Oh, we gotta go. Okay, all right, let's go. Let's go then. Let's go. If we gotta go, we gotta go. I just wanted to see it real quick. Thank you for the blessing, sir. Is that what the hell?
Yo, mommy, I got Megan on the phone.
Are you the real Speed?
What?
Are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are we? Whoa! 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 Man, what you?
What you?
What?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Tete, is it the real Speed?
Man, what? You are me.
Let's go!
Come on. Follow me. Follow. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on.
Hey yo, Ruffy, you need to know? Hey yo! Who's this? Hey, who's this?
Who are you?
Who's this?
unnecessary.
Who's this? Who's this? Is this from your mom or your dad, man? What the fuck? Is this from mom or dad? Hey, who's this? Who your mom? Who your dad? Back up! Back up! Back up! Who is this? And who's your dad? Who the fuck? Oh, hell no. What's going on? Hey, you need some help. You need some help. What the hell's going on? I can't believe you didn't whoop your ass. Who the hell is this? I can't believe you didn't whoop your ass. What speed is this? I don't know, man. Who the hell is this? Go ask your mom right now. Call her, bro. Which speed is this? MSG. What? He what? Hey, brother, you gotta calm down and listen. Who your mom and who is your dad? Why do you look like me? He might be a cousin. Brother, you gotta talk to me. Okay. You look just like me, son. You gotta hear me. Who's your mom? Who's your dad, brother? Okay. Me and you look just alike. You gotta come to earth. Lock in and listen to me. I'm a you brother. You what? Brother. You my brother? I'm my twin. We twins? Yeah. You my Ethiopian brother? Yeah. Right now. He better calm down. He better calm down. He better calm down. I'll race you, my boy. You better calm down. Hey. You better calm down. You better calm down. At ease. He like a second cousin or something. This look like a cousin, man. I don't know. What you reckon? He look too. He reckon? Yeah, he like a cousin. I think we need a race.
Okay.
Oh. Between the two speeds. Okay. We need a race. Okay. He look kind of nervous. You scared? You scared? You scared? I know he's scared. Brother, do you? Bro. Salam, do you? Brother. Yeah. Yeah.
Translate.
Do you?
Easy, brother.
Brother, do you understand me? Yeah. You sure? Okay. What am I saying right now then?
Move back.
Brother Speed, you gotta come to earth and get them birds out your head. And y'all two out the race, all right? You gotta lock in. I gotta see what you got. You keep playing to be Ethiopian Speed. So I gotta see if you really speed. And you right here, you gotta really lock in. They call you Timos because you Zimbabwe Speed. So you gotta turn up. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, nigga. Hey, brother. 3, 2, 1, go, brother. You gotta listen, bro. Okay. You gotta listen to me. Listen now. 3, 2, 1, go. You go on. Who let? So. Oh. Ooh.
That's done.
Ooh. Wait. Ooh. What they gonna say? What they gonna say this time? What they gonna say this time? What they gonna say this time? I'm wondering. What they gonna say this time, twin? They ain't gonna say nothing. You might wanna come for him a little bit. What happened? Bro, what happened, bro? How you lose me, bro? How you lose, bro? How'd you lose, bro? I'm tired. I thought you was my cousin, bro. I thought we was brothers, bro. What's he saying? You can't be losing like that, bro. I have faith in you, G. I have faith in my Ethiopian brother, and you lost to me, G. He say he okay. Come on, bro. What the fuck happened, bro? What happened, bro? How'd you lose, bro? Come on, bro. You had it in, bro. You had it in you, bro. Shake it out, man. Shake it out, bro.
Sorry, man. You gave a good fight.
Shake it out. It's all right, you know these things happen. All you gotta do is put yourself back up and you be alright. Alright? You be alright, man. You feel me? You got a spirit in you. You got a dog in you. Come on, bro. You can't, bro. You're gonna be alright. Listen, bro. You can't mess up the multiverse, bro. Yeah. If you claiming to be Ethiopian Speed, you can't lose the races, man. You gotta lock in and dig deep. Dig deep and get the speed out of you. Not out of you. You have to be inside of your head and lock in, brother. You shouldn't be losing, bro. But look, everybody gotta lose one day, man. Everybody gotta lose. You gotta lose to make win and get stronger. So once you get stronger and once you become the actual speed, you might really be speed, man. It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. It's okay.
What do I get for winning? You gave him a whole motivational speech. I won. Dusted him.
My turn.
Come on.
That's it, my turn. Listen, you ugly piece of shit, man.
Now you trolling.
You really pissing me off. Right, what I do? I beat him. Timo Speed, you.
What's up? He doesn't know his name.
Okay, speak.
He loves you so much, man. He's been looking up to you for years, man. People have been making fun of him for doing your things. This guy is free. He's fire. He's got the dog in him, man. Can you give him a chance, bro? He can be international. I believe in him, man. He's the biggest, the greatest, the littest, the illest, the most fire. Yeah!
Look, we gotta really speak though, cause like when I look at you, all. This shit is weird, bro.
No,
it's weird, cause like
it tripped me out. So I ain't gonna.
I keep looking at it. Hold on, bro. Hey, chat, this shit actually weird though. Cause like, bro, like why we all like this is multiverse shit, man. Like this really multiverse stuff. Woo! I feel like I got brothers, man. Or something. What? Oh shoot, we got the Spider-Man pose. All right, let's go. Come on.
Space. All you have to do is make space.
What the hell is this? It's a robot? What's up, robot?
She's the first Ethiopian made robot.
What?
She's the first Ethiopian robot, actually. It was made by the Ethiopian Artificial Intelligence Institute.
Does it talk?
Yeah. She's the first humanoid robot.
Salam. What are you doing right now?
Welcome to Ethiopia, the land of origin.
An Ethiopian robot. What is this? Whoa.
Damn.
What is even?
So Ethiopia is the first country in Africa to have an AI institute.
What? Bro, Ethiopia is like, hey, I got a robot right here. Is it on? Is what? Maintenance? Oh. Y'all should have had that ready for me, man.
This is your future city ride, so please, just with your friend.
What?
Okay.
You might get it back.
You'll say start? Good luck.
What the hell?
Now you are visiting Atendotot. It is a mountainous area of...
Wait, so I'm in actually Ethiopia right now. Chat, this is crazy. I didn't even know y'all had this. That's insane. What else y'all got here?
Aris, focus. Damn, focus. Let's go.
Turn me up, chat.
We are here. You should be teaching us right now.
Yeah, bro.
What does it say on the walls?
Bro, what does this say, brother?
What does it say, bro?
What does that say? Come on. You the Ethiopian.
Yeah.
You the Ethiopian Speed. Come on, teach us.
Okay. It's history, yeah. History. It's Ethiopian history.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else?
Okay. It is insect. You know insect? You know.
Yeah.
Insect tekil.
Okay.
Insect tekil. That means this.
A plant. Yeah.
Oh, plant.
Insect tekil. That means this.
Okay.
No way.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Oh yeah, chat.
This is Africa's largest hydro dam.
This is what?
It's a hydro dam.
Hydro dam?
Yes.
Oh, that's
Generates
beautiful.
power. See? And it's beautiful. It's the biggest in Africa.
That's crazy.
And the top 10
Wait,
in the world.
that's the biggest dam?
In Africa.
Produces
Yes.
over 5,000 kilowatts.
Megawatts of power.
Megawatts of power.
That's actually
So we
sick.
can light up the whole of Africa.
Really?
Yes.
So y'all are in power of lighting up the whole of Africa?
That's our plan.
What?
Right now we're powering Ethiopia.
Really?
And then we want to move to powering the whole of
It's
Africa.
called the GERD.
It's called the Grand Renaissance Dam.
That's crazy, bro.
We're gonna fly so many
Okay. You're gonna be sitting on the right side so that we can be able to take off and land, okay?
Wait, we about to fly?
Yeah. Okay, so you know Ethiopian Airlines is one of the biggest airlines? Yeah, so we're gonna
What's the bill rate?
take off. So that's called the rudder. This is going to be the one that you're going to be using to take off.
Yes.
So in order to take off, you're going to be rotating to the right.
Right.
When I say rotate, okay? The speed has to come before you get to rotate, okay? So let's just start. Okay, first we have to unfreeze it. Abel, can you help me with that?
It's already unfrozen.
Okay, so we're going to be advancing the power so that the aircraft can be able to move.
Yeah.
So you can see the speed is already building up.
Yeah.
So when the speed is ready, I'm going to tell you rotate. Then you get to lift off the airplane by pulling it up.
Okay.
You got it?
Got it.
Nice. Okay, so in order to do directional control, you have to use the rudders. Okay, so turn to the left a little bit, turn to the right. Not with this, with your legs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
So you have to maintain the center line so that you could be able to rotate at the appropriate speed in the right direction. So the speed is already accelerating, which is going to be shown on the left side. So this is Ethiopian Airlines, like the Addis Ababa airport that we're going to be departing from. You're not going to be able to do that in the real aircraft.
What?
Because it's going to control the directions and you're making it go offset. So now the speed is approaching. So
take
you
off.
can rotate now.
Oh, I did it.
Yes, you did it.
I'm flying.
But you have to reduce the angle. You have to reduce the angle because the aircraft is going to stall.
Oh, what's going on? What's going on?
Wait, you have to push it a little bit downwards so that the airplane could be able to level off, you know? You see, now we're at the appropriate speed and you can control, for instance, you can put...
Hey! What's wrong with you?
You are pushing it too much. You are not even...
Nah, alright, Chad.
Oh, yeah, guess what he said?
What?
What'd you just say?
Oh, you know English?
Oh my God! Come, say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Calm down.
Oh my God! What else? What else? What else?
What else? What else? What else? What else?
What?
What else?
You don't know? What else?
I love you, man.
Oh, I love you! I love you! Wait, what else? What else?
What else?
Camera, go! What?
What?
Okay, think.
You got it. That's good. That's good. We'll take it.
Okay, yeah, we'll take that. We'll take that. We'll take that. Everybody sub up.
We should go against him. We should go against him.
Messi! Nah, bro. Can y'all hear that, bro? Yeah! Turn me up. How old are you? 22?
Yeah.
Okay, 22. So, 20. Okay.
You better than me?
No. I'm 20. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm y'all firstborn. I'm the OG. 25.
You 25?
That's right, man.
You 25?
That's right, man.
So you big bro?
Yeah, I'm big bro.
I'm the youngest.
I'm big bro.
He big bro.
I'm big. That's why I be separating y'all when y'all be doing too much.
Oh.
Yeah, you feel me?
Nah, you ain't 25. You do not look 25.
No, man.
You like a teenager.
Take that back.
Speed.
Wow. What is this?
This is the Emperor's Vase from the 50s.
Special car.
What, from the 50s?
1956.
Wow.
Too many tall guys.
50s car. Sheesh. Oh, that's dope. W car, chat. That's dope. Let me see if I can go inside. Yeah. This is the car. What the? Oh.
Only street guys. Only street guys.
Be careful.
I got you. There, get my hand.
Very old.
Yeah.
Wow. Chat, this is the Emperor. Yo, bro. You know this was the Emperor car, right?
Oh.
And we in here. Yo Emperor. Ethiopian Emperor.
Oh, damn.
So this is this exact car. Wow. Dang. This is really history right here.
Another cars. So many cars.
Look this.
This is history right here.
Shower.
It's a shower? Yes, a shower. This is from the 1950s.
There is another.
Nah, that's actually crazy.
More than this one. There is another more than this one.
That's crazy.
Y'all boys going ahead. I'm
You about to hit the sack?
Yeah.
All right,
y'all
bro.
boys going in here.
Good night, bro.
Good night, man. I appreciate y'all.
All right,
Y'all
man.
gonna come back?
Nah, yeah, we gonna come back for you.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right.
Chat, Ethiopia got a lot of culture, chat. Really deep culture. Yee! Sheesh. Presidential vintage Rolls Royce. That car is sick. I don't think I've never seen a vintage Rolls Royce. Chat, these cars probably cost like. How much? Hey, how much that car's worth?
Oh, now?
Yeah.
Oh, in millions. It's vintage.
Yeah, obviously the millions, but where?
Well, if you ship it to the US, it will cost a lot more. For collector, it's a collector's item.
It gotta cost at least 5 mil, bro.
Look at that carriage.
At least 5. I ain't gonna lie, that at least gotta cost 5 million. Hey, sub up though, bro. This is. By the way, this is a sport?
Yeah, it's called Ghana.
Ghana?
It's like Ethiopian field hockey.
Field hockey, Ethiopia. All right, let's go. All right, but let's play. Let's play. Let's play. So is this like Ethiopian football?
Come on, no, I will play with you. Come on.
Okay.
Be here.
Be here?
Be here.
Yup.
No. Just here, be here. I will be here like this. Be like this.
Okay.
And we will do 3 times like this.
Okay.
1.
Okay. 1. Wait.
Okay, you have to touch this.
Oh. 1,
Yes.
2, 3.
Just go to yes. Yeah. Play with you. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes.
Score! Get it! But can you slide tackle in this shit? Ardi! Get it! What? Pass it!
Wait, we're not in the same team. No. Hey, that's our team.
Hey! Whew. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta eat, bro. I gotta eat. I'm too tired.
Come on.
Huh? Oh, penalty? Yeah. All right, man, last penalty.
Just be like this. Kick.
Okay.
Just stay like this. Just kick the ball inside.
What, inside?
Yeah. This is the goal. Go Shigba. The score. Let's score. Just kick it.
Yeah! Ethiopian hockey, baby.
Just rotate.
Okay. GG.
Yeah, bye. Ronaldo.
Yes, Ronaldo. Good game. GG, y'all. GG, y'all.
Hold it like Simba, man.
Huh?
Hold it like Simba.
Hold it like Simba.
Yeah.
All right, bro. We need to get some bite. Let's get some food now, bro. I need to eat. Is this where the food is at?
Yeah.
Let's go! All right, let's eat. Let's eat, y'all. Oh, wait, here we go. Oh, this still raw meat. Chat is still raw meat. You go first. You eat it first.
You go first.
You eat it first.
So you don't even sizzle it a little bit. It's just straight roll, huh?
That's it.
Straight roll. I feel you. I feel you.
Because it's spicy.
It's very spicy, yeah? Be careful.
You know, she's a bitch. For you, how will you?
You gonna feed it in your mouth, and you're gonna take it.
Yo! Yeah!
Okay.
Huh? Well, me next. How it taste? How it taste? It tastes good?
Yeah.
I'm watch him. It's very spicy, isn't it? It better taste nice. All these emotions.
So why is it good? Why is it good though? Why is it good? Bro, wait, it's actually good.
Are you sure?
It's good.
You ain't lying?
I swear.
Let me try.
It's good.
Is it?
It's good as hell.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you.
It's actually good. Oh, my life is good. Not bad.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Child, raw meat is good.
So you wanna go for the next one now?
I'm not gonna lie. Who is these ladies right here?
Oh, hello. You guys good? We good. Oh, you good? I'm good. I'm great, actually.
Wait.
I'm actually great.
Hey.
This female's right to our right. You gotta lock in, okay? I gotta see what you got.
You getting the drop?
Hey, bro, you need to get your Ethiopian girl.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. You can't embarrass the speed.
I know.
Like,
Wait, hold on. I feel like we got the same.
Oh, they gonna feed us? Oh, yeah. Yes.
That's how you share love.
That's how you share love.
Love and
Yes.
Oh, we don't mind.
I would love to get that.
We don't mind at all.
Be on.
Whoa! Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah.
We call this push-up.
So which one of you made it? Which one of you made this? All of us. All of you. Oh, you guys are good.
Okay, say ladies. Who is the best looking speed?
You already said it.
Ethiopian speed, ishowSpeed, or Zimbabwe speed? Let me know.
Now take some.
Who?
Y'all look.
Me?
Yeah.
They're glazing. You are a farm.
Okay, all right.
Now look again, okay, ladies? Concentrate and look again, okay?
Look again.
Look again and concentrate.
Who the best looking speed?
Point to him. Who?
The real one.
The what?
The real one.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now look again.
You're number 2.
I'm number 2.
Okay, wait, No. Okay, who the second best looking one?
Oh, no, sorry. You already pointed at me. It's okay.
I'm scared.
I know. We're in your home turf. That's why you can't say me. It's fine, though.
So.
You love Zimbabwe?
So 1, 2, 3.
Oh man.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Hey, ladies, I need you guys to really concentrate right now, okay?
Bro, hey,
no.
You can't, listen. You can't be butthurt, bro.
I ain't butthurt.
If he look better than you, he look better than you. No, if the ladies say that,
Listen, out of respect, they're saying you. Then we're in his home turf, so they gotta say him. And then they really wanna say me. I don't know about
that.
You sure?
I don't know about that.
You sure?
Nah, bro. They telling the truth, bro. It's okay. You mad, bro?
I ain't mad.
He mad.
What makes you
He
guys
laughing at you.
Why you laughing at me? We're supposed to be brothers, matter of fact.
He laughing at you.
So you guys are gonna.
Hey, he laughing at you.
So no girls for me, huh?
Oh.
No girls for me? Damn, he just said no girls for me. So what you love about Zimbabwe? You me? Oh, okay then. That's all, ladies. That's all. Oh man.
Hey, y'all know he got a girlfriend, right?
Lock in. You know I don't.
Yes, you do. You told me.
Again, we're gonna heal soon.
Did you tell me?
Lock in, man. We're gonna heal soon.
5 years.
We're gonna heal.
Oh, crap. Y'all been together for 5 years?
Shut up.
What?
We're gonna heal.
You're gonna propose to her next week?
Lock in, bro.
Seriously?
This goes here.
Wait.
Look in.
Oh my gosh.
Lock in. Tell him lock in. Tell him lock in. Okay? Tell him to concentrate right now. He's doing that thing again. Okay?
He don't know what the hell you saying. Oh hell no.
Okay, let's go, y'all. Let's go.
Hold!
Thank you.
Let's go. We on. We good? Let's go. Ethiopian Jamal?
I like Jamal. I can backflip.
Get to it!
You in the car, you can't be down here.
I want to see what's up to the fans.
What? That's crazy. We can't get down here, bro.
Calm. That's calm. Now. Upper space. Now.
Stop. Hold it.
Off me. Watch out.
Space.
Guys. Move back.
What's the water?
What's going on?
Get him in the car.
Ted, I'm sorry. I just felt super lightheaded, almost passed out. I don't know why. Ted, that was the first time I was about to pass out. Huh? It's the altitude? I don't know what happened. Ted. I swear I don't know what happened. I just like, I'm good. Oh my God. God damn. Holy. Oh my God. God! Whoa!
Look at that. That's why you're gonna leave. If the crowd breaks and it's that big.
Bro, that was crazy. Oh, guacamole. Oh my God. Oh, look at that building. Get that building. Get that building. That's a sick building. Oh my days. Chad, I ain't gonna cap. Bro, I can't believe I almost passed out. Bro, I don't know what happened, bro. Everything, like my head got light and I couldn't even move. Like my whole body felt weak. You ready? Yeah. Let's get up out of here. Let's get it. Now look. Let's go up. Holy crap, bro. We at 48.5 already. My goodness. Wait, did Ethiopia beat Kenya record?
Yeah, I thought it was.
It did? Wait, Ethiopia beat Kenya record?
Yeah. 300K views.
Really?
Yeah, beat Kenya.
Wow.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
How are you? Welcome.
Good.
How's everything?
Great.
Welcome to Ethiopia.
Thank you.
You ready to cook?
Cook.
Cook. Come on. I know you like your chicken. Come on. I got you. I'll cook it for you. Don't worry about it. How are you, sir? Nice to meet you. How was Mexico Square?
Whoa. Hold on.
Oh.
Fried chicken.
Hold on.
Fried chicken.
This isn't good. This isn't good. I got the bubble guts. It's gutting up.
He wants to go on the roof.
Oh no.
Not for this, but the roof.
Uh-oh. Chat, something's going down there. Something's going on.
Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come here. Come here. Come here. This way.
Ooh, wait. It's moving. My stomach just moving. Hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Ooh, wee. Oh, shit. Ooh.
We have a bathroom, restroom.
Where? Oh, God. Hold on. Oh, whoa. Hold on. We gotta go. Hold on. Whoa, Chad, I'm so sorry. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Is it a fart or?
Just here. It's here. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Come on. You can make it.
No.
Baby steps. You can make it, bro.
No.
It's there.
You can make it.
No.
You want me to pick you up and take you? Or you good?
No. I farted on myself, bro. I thought it was a fart.
Okay, you in there.
Oh, bro.
You're good. You're all right. Come on. You're good.
Come, you can make it.
You're good. Let's go.
No, it's too late, bro. Come on, bro. No, bro. I gotta finish the stream, bro.
Don't clean up. You'll clean yourself up.
I know, but I gotta finish the stream, though. I'm back, baby. I'm back.
Where you been, man? I was trying to get some goals, and he didn't even let me get some goals. It was all disappointing.
Chad, I'm sorry.
It's all right, though.
I had to relieve some pressure down in me.
It's all right.
I feel better, though.
Yeah?
I blew up that toilet. I'm gonna be honest. I feel way better. I feel like I could do 10 backflips now.
Do it right now. Do it right now. Oh my God. I was joking, but yeah, do your thing. I was really joking, but that's fine. Again, you and this.
Hey, I'm back.
Again, but I like he's back. No, chat.
I'm back. I'm back.
Let's go.
I had a little stomach ache, little stomach problems.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, you ain't tell me when you eat raw meat, you shit your brains out. Next time you gotta tell me that, all right? Okay? You can't lie to me. Yeah. You know you Ethiopian speed, so next time I eat raw meat, you gotta tell me, yo, you might shit. I pooped a lot.
This is an apology for the raw meat incident. So this is from Samra
wait,
Leathers.
Yeah, give me that cup.
So this is from Samra Leathers.
Uh-huh.
I hope you enjoyed your time in Ethiopia and you come back. So this is from the tourism minister. I didn't tell you my name, by the way.
Yeah, what is your name?
Hasait.
Hasait?
Hasait.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is from the tourism minister, and there's a leather jacket here.
Okay, thank you.
You can wear it whenever.
Thank you so much.
See you.
See you. Wait, how old are you? Why you laughing, bro? Like, bro, what's funny, bro? All I did was ask a question, bro. What is he laughing at? You speak Ethiopian?
Of course.
Ask him why he laughing.
From Mexico.
No. Bro, what's funny, bro? All I did was ask a question. Okay, hold on, wait. What?
Lock in, man. She said she's 20, so you know.
Wait, you 20? That's crazy. I'm 22. When your birthday?
June 12th.
June 12th. Oh, I'm older than you. I'll turn 21 next week.
No way.
Wait. Oh, wait. She's in 2018. So that means she's 28.
She's 28.
So you're
no, the older the better. You know how it goes. She'll take care of you.
Okay. All right. In Ethiopia, I'm 13. But in Ethiopia, you 20.
He didn't. No, he didn't. No, he meant. Why the heck would you say that?
Because
what are you doing?
Because we're in the past right now. Ethiopia, it's 2018.
But you told her you 13 as soon as you lock in. Okay. See, my bad. Numerical numbers. Ethiopian language and that. Let's go.
All right. Anyways. All right. Anyway. It's all right. Excuse me, Miss World. Miss World, could you come back? Okay. So what he meant was, it's you're his, childhood dream. So when he was young, when he was 13, you're his ideal type of woman. But now he's a grown man, 20 years of age. You guys would merge. That's what he meant. That's what he meant. Yeah, that's a different multiverse. Yeah. We kind of think alike. So that's basically what I meant. Yeah.
So older than me?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Try on the leather jacket.
Yeah. Go try that one.
Try it on.
Go try that one and lock in and revive yourself. It would. Can you lock in?
I handpicked it.
You handpicked it? Like you made it?
No, I handpicked it. I was like, this is the one for him.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna try. What is a leather jacket? The hell? Wait, this is kind of tough. Why this kind of tough though?
I told you it was tough.
Why this kind of tough though, chat? Hold that for me, big bro. All right, bet.
Stop with that.
Speed. What up?
Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo? Are you stealing my phone, Speed? Are you stealing my phone?
Okay, look. Hear me out.
See? I told you.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Hey, wait, I look kind of good though, chat. Wait, why this kind of tough though? This leather jacket kind of sick. It is kind of tough, ain't it though? Hold on, I can.
It's very good.
Hey, I look kind of good though. I look kind of good. Okay, rate me 1 through 10 with this jacket.
9.
No. Rate me 1 through 10.
Rate you? Oh.
In all generalness.
I rate you. You impressed me today. He is, no, seriously, it takes a lot to actually be standing here and doing whatever he's doing. So I rate you a 9 as well.
Nah. Okay, what I gotta do to get that 10?
I really don't.
What I gotta do to get that 10? Whatever, just say it.
Seriously, I have no idea. Okay,
What
10?
if he like backflips in the leather jacket?
Come back.
Let's make a deal. Come back to Ethiopia. Don't you like it here?
Okay, so if I come back, can we go like on a dinner or something?
Maybe I'll think about it. Maybe I'll think about it.
How about this? Y'all need some quiet time. Hold on, come in.
Okay.
Y'all need some.
Watch out.
Quiet time. Right over here. Okay. You need to seriously lock in.
I know.
Okay, I'm about to put you on a date. Okay, lock in.
Bro, he pissing me off.
No. He didn't even bring no women to me. Right?
I know.
Oh, she's right behind.
He's not even helping me out. Bro, he's Ethiopian. Bro, he's Ethiopian. I know. And he's not even helping me out. I know. Bro, you are Ethiopian. He's not even helping me.
He's not even helping me. You don't even understand English. It's fine.
You gotta help me out, bro. You must be our brother. We all three gotta sit together.
Okay. Look, hold on. I'm gonna sit Speed down. You bring her to sit next to Speed, okay?
Bro, treat me some Ethiopian Riz. She's the second most beautiful girl in Africa.
Who's first?
Huh?
Who's first?
I don't know. I want to find out, though. Wait, Tat. Who's the first beautiful girl in Africa?
What's still going on?
I want to find out. But anyways, you got a Ethiopian Riz, okay? Teach me, brother. Okay?
I teach you.
You teach me?
Okay. I don't know if you know what you said, man.
You don't know what I'm saying, do you?
He doesn't, bro. He doesn't, bro. Let's just, all right, go back to the original plan. All right, sit down, sit down, sit down. Miss World Africa. You should, we lined up a perfect date for you. I will put you on here. Why don't you sit next? You're all right. You comfortable? You need anything?
Nothing.
You need anything, sir?
No, I don't, sir.
All right, that's so good. You guys have some quiet time and, y'all raise up a little bit what you gotta do. Better lock the fuck in. I do not fumble this. All right. Okay.
Okay, I got a question. So when did you win the first Miss World, the Miss World?
So Miss World is a very influential pageant, and it was held in May.
This year?
2025.
Last year?
Yes.
Okay.
So it was 109 countries.
109 countries. So all of Africa.
All of Africa, almost all of the world. 109 countries. Europe, Asia.
Oh, so this is worldwide.
Yeah.
And you won second?
Yeah.
Who won first?
Thailand. Her name is Opal.
Tyler?
Thailand.
Thailand?
Miss Thailand.
She's from Thailand?
Yes.
Oh. And how old is she?
Probably 21.
21?
22, yeah.
22?
Yeah.
So what is take me through the process of being in a pack, you know what I mean? Yeah, you feel me?
You still want that picture?
Yes.
Let's do the picture.
Do that?
What? She wanted to take a picture. She asked me for a picture earlier.
She asked you for a picture?
Yeah, also you. Let's take a picture too.
Wait.
We're going to go through
Oh, no, it's cool. You go ahead. You asked him for a picture.
Yeah. Okay. Where's your phone at? So I can take
I don't know.
Oh, Rudy, I'll use your phone. I got it. Ready? I got it. Ready?
Hi, how you doing? You did
Go ahead.
No, she asked earlier.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah. Go take it.
Sorry. Don't interrupt.
Hey, bro. Hey, cuz. Hey, man. Hey, listen. Come here.
I'm trying to help you out, bro.
Hey, bro.
Don't interrupt them.
Bro, you just
sorry.
shot. Bro, she asked you for a picture?
She asked me for a picture. Bro, she ain't no good for you, bro. How she asking me for a picture, bro?
You gotta take your shirt off
Bro.
under jacket.
Bro, trust me. I got you, bro.
GG's, bro.
Are you gonna come back to the date? I got
Ooh, chicken and waffles. I don't even.
Best chicken in the world.
What time is it? Oh, what time is it? Oh, I think we have to go. 6:43. Yo, Henry, don't we gotta go or something?
I don't know. You tell me, man.
Oh. Yeah, I am.
The second one?
Oh, yes. Oh, I got you, David. Yeah, yes, thank you. Okay, Chad, let's try some chicken and waffles.
Yeah,
let's try some chicken and waffles.
We made ginger ale food. You gotta have some ginger ale, right? After that stomach, you need.
No, you know what? I shouldn't eat this. I'm sorry. I got a stomach ache. That might not be smart. That might not be smart. I'm so sorry, and I know this looks so good. This is my favorite food.
Best chicken and waffle in the world.
Nah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, this shit look good, bro. Chat, should I eat it? I got diarrhea. Should I still eat it?
You're gonna be okay. It's okay.
You sure you want that? Or really fuck you up? I'll eat it.
You can.
Bro, I'm tired of pooping though, bro. Chat, I'm tired of pooping, bro. Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Fuck it, bro. Oh my God, this is my favorite food. Fuck it, bro. Even if I got diarrhea, bro, it's alright.
Just take one bite.
Nah, I need more meat on that mud.
Yeah. Step it up. Odie, let's take 10 versions.
This would make you feel better.
Take away. 15. So go, take away.
Yay!
I got you. Thank you so much, Marcus. Odie, 15 chicken and waffles. 15 chicken and waffles.
Do you like it?
Wow.
How do you like it? Speed.
Syrup on the phone.
What do you think? Good?
So, I promised to give you the best chicken and waffle in the world. We did it. There you go. Nope. Nope. Thank you for coming to Ethiopia. Feel better, bro?
You know that's my favorite meal, right?
Yeah, I know that.
That's my favorite meal.
Yo, by the way, this jacket is a 10 out of 10. Yeah. You're carrying that well. All right. Thanks, bro. We really appreciate you, man. Enjoy and get some rest, bro.
Yeah.
All right. Peace.
Nice day.
Nice day.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe next time.
Yo. Come step back, step back, step back, step back.
My phone teeth. That's a happy speed. Oh, she's shy. Your first rejection is this?
Are we going up?
We can't go up.
Hey, can we go up? Can we go up?
Mate, it's not safe up there, but...
Yeah, man, let's do it. Come on, for the stream. I'm trying to show Ethiopia.
You man.
I go first.
Plus your cameraman.
Yeah.
Plus your bodies.
Yeah, come on.
Yes. We can do it. It's right here.
Going up a squat. Going up a squat.
Sometimes you can't take no for an answer. W stream. I'm about to show the nightlife of Ethiopia. I'm about to show y'all a drone shot of Ethiopia. It looks crazy at night. All right, go ahead. Go to drone. Go to drone. Go to drone. Show ahead. Go to drone. Go to drone, man. This is the nightlife in Ethiopia. Why the drone still right there? Go, drone. Go. What is he doing? Yeah. Chat, do y'all see it? I can't even tell if they seen it or not. But chat, this is the nightlife of Ethiopia, chat.
Confirm. They saw it?
Nightlife of Ethiopia.
They saw it.
This is insane. Is it still on there?
Yeah, it's still on there.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
When you want us to switch back. We're back for a second.
Holy crap, that looks crazy. Yo, Ethiopia nightlife looks insane, bro. Holy guacamole, bro. W's in the chat, bro. W's in the stream, bro. W's in the stream, bro.
Don't show that.
W's in the chat, bro. This is beautiful, bro. Holy crap, bro. Ethiopia is so beautiful. Holy yo, y'all see this chat? Y'all see Ethiopia, bro? This is insane. Oh my gosh. We're on top of this building right now. That is insane, G. Oh my. We should do a backflip.
No, there's no space for that.
Yeah, there's not no space. But that's crazy though, bro. That is Ethiopia, man. That's the nightlife Ethiopia, bro. Ethiopia has, I think it's like, bro, it's one of the biggest cities ever, bro. It took me 1 hour just to get to my, it took me an hour and 30 minutes just to get to my hotel. That's how big this city is, bro. In all seriousness, bro. But W Ethiopia, bro. Now let's go back down, man. I think we showed it, man.
Yo, stay on drone.
Stay on drone. Yeah. Tell them stay on drone. Ethiopia is insane, bro.
You want to give me the camera?
No.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta do a backflip. I can do it right here. I can do it right here.
Yeah.
Gotta get the view though. You should get like right here.
It's that big pillar's blocking. You're gonna have to do it like right here.
All right, bet.
I stand right
There's
here.
space here, look.
No. I can do it back here.
I need someone to hold me right here.
Okay, watch out. I'm good.
Hold me right here.
I'm good. Backflip time on top of the 3rd largest building in Africa. Let's go. Oh. Let's go, Ethiopia. W's in the chat. Let's go. Nightlife, baby.
Yes, 2,500 bit rate.
Oh, wait, we going up. We going up. You going?
Let's start.
Say hi, bro, please.
We at 700. We're gonna go outside. Go outside. I know. Just wait. Yeah, we good now. 700. We got 1,000 now. We got like a.
Still bad though. All right, let's move forward. 11,
Yeah, move forward.
1,100.
We getting better bit rate. Oh yeah, we good now. We good now. We good. 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 Chat, does it look better now? Yeah, we should be better.
Taylor said you should be
You better? We good?
Not right now, not right now.
What's going on? You good?
Hold.
What's good? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, here, get it! Stop! Get it! Stop! What is this? Oh my God! Get it out! What is it? Oh my God! Get it! Throw it away! What is this? Throw it away! What is this? Throw it away!
Is that green apple?